Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Shumna Faris Nasution with student identification number 2024-32077. I come from Information System major, and I'm going to report my practice report for web programming. So, I already done the theory and practice report. Now we move to the code, which is already done. Here, I developed a simple web page using HTML and CSS. The main objective of this display theory is question and answer its structured format and to implement for a form with validation and a success page. First, I created the main structure using HTML. The page is divided into three main sections, which is the question section, the answer section, and the form section. The questions are organized using ordered list to maintain a clear hierarchy, while the multimedia part is displayed using a table with four columns: text, image, audio, and video. This table layout helps present the content in a structured way and readable way. Next, I implemented the answer section, which is the same. This ensure that example like paragraph or image sites can be shown correctly to the users. After that, I created form for user input, which is already here. It includes three main inputs: name, student ID, and date. It will use the required attribute. For styling, I use the external CSS files. The overall design applies a modern layout using a centered container with active person width. A gradient background is used to improve visual appearance. Each section, including question answers and form, is styled as a card using white background, padding, rounded corners, and box shadow to create a clean and modern interface. And then this card designs improves readability and give a clear separations between sections. The multimedia table is styled with full width and collapsed borders to create neat structure. The table header uses the background with white text for better contrast, while the content cells use padding and the borders for clarity. And then I implemented a success page that appear after the form is submitted. This page uses internal CSS and displays a full screen animated GIF as the background. The image is set to cover the entire screen using width 100% and height 100 viewport height, with object to fit cover to maintain proportions. On top of the GIF, there is a confirmation message position it using fixed positioning and transform to keep it centered. A semi-transparent background is added behind the text to ensure readability. I'm going to show the website. Already post the link in the GitHub. So if we click this, it's already done here, and we can see what I implemented and the form. We can use and fill it. Here, if we choose this, is it will be appear a warning here that I must fill out this field. This is the form, and then the GIF will already appear. I think that's all for my practice report. If I made a mistake, I say sorry, and thank you for listening.